Attach double-sided tape to the corners of the front bumper. Apply adhesion promoter first. Attach double-sided tape to the aligned position and press hard. Tear off the double-sided tape. Align 3 positions. Install them crosswise. The corners is located below. Note, splice 1 by 1 in order, from bottom to top. And the installation is complete. When you hear a sound, secure with 3 self-tapping screws. The same is true for the other side. Remove the original 6 screws. And remove the original 8 clips. Pry the clips open at both ends with a tool, and then remove them by hand. Clean the car body first. Then apply adhesion promoter. Tear off the double-sided tape, bumper on the front. Note that you only need to tear off the 2 ends, not all of them. Align the entire front bumper with the original car's arc and install it. Confirm the middle position first. And then put the 2 ends in. Tear off the double-sided tape along the arc. Note that you should press gently while tearing it off. And finally, press hard to fix it. The same is true for the other side. Tilt the wheels to facilitate screw installation. Use self-tapping screws and gaskets to install. The same is true for the other side. Install the No. 1 clip connected at both ends. First insert the pipe, then install the cover. Then install the 6 PCS No. 2 buckles in the middle. Install the 6 original screws. Front bar installation finished. Install the rear bars the same way. Apply adhesion promoter and double-sided tape first. Tear off the double-sided tape. Install them crosswise. The corners is located below. Press firmly on both ends to ensure a complete fit. Secure with self-tapping screws. The same is true for the other side. Remove the original car buckle. Clean the car body first. Then apply adhesion promoter. Tear off the double-sided tape, bumper on the front. Align the entire front bumper with the original car's arc and install it. Tear off the double-sided tape along the arc. Pay attention to holding the bottom with your hands. Use self-tapping screws plus gaskets to install. The same is true for the other side. Install the No. 2 buckles. Install the 6 self-tapping screws. Rear bar installation finished.